Jenny. I'm the owner of Prime Salon. So, nagtayo ako ng salon kasi dream ko talaga to. Tsaka, hilig ko yung mga nails, eyelash, hair, and massage. Kaming dalawa ng asawa. Kaya, so, instead na pupunta ako sa ibang place, eh, magtayo na lang ako. Siya Prime, kinuha ko po siya sa pangalan ng anak ko, Supremo. So, pag in-English yung pangalan na yun, Prime. So, in-invite ko po kayong lahat to visit and try our services here in Prime Salon by Jenny.
The Nano Steam Machine is a Japan technology innovation that emits nano-sized steam particles that penetrates the hair to a greater depth than a standard steamer could.
The innovation of sub-zero temperature. This treatment further reveals the hair's cortex that strengthens the hair shaft, making the hair flexible with shine and bounce.
We are located at Acacia Lane, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City, near Jollibee. And we're open every day from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Bye and see ya!